Bonjour les amis, bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I am getting inside. I'm walking together with you. I'm in the small village, and I will show you a little bit some of the shops and tell you a little bit. So first here you have the street name. The street name is interesting. Tournebride. Rue Tournebride. I think it always makes sense to look at the street name because you will learn a lot. Let me face like this the camera. You will learn a lot about the history. Tournebride, it means turn around. Une bride is for the horse. You know what the horse has in the mouth. Une bride. You know, and like the beat, le cheval, he has the beats, you know. So it means maybe before there was the horse here, and probably it was the place where you could turn around. Here you can see there's a French flag. So sometimes the French people, they will put the flag outside of their home, but especially during the World Cup, the football World Cup, the soccer World Cup. But this, otherwise, it's the public building. So this is like the city hall or something. This one is a Trésor Public. You see, so Trésor Public is where you can where you will pay your tax. So if you have some questions about your tax and you say, hey, I'm paying my tax, how much should I pay? Okay, I've been working, I'm a foreigner, I come here, I bought a house, you know, calculez si vous allez payer des impôts et combien, how much you're going to pay. So you can go on their website, you see, but you can also ask, posez vos questions, but you can do this online. But if you come here, they will also give you some, explain to you about the tax. And trust me, the tax in France, it's very, very complicated because you have all kind of tax. That could be the subject of another video. I'm not against the tax. I think the tax are very good as long as it's used in the right way, you know. Now the question is always, okay, you get the tax, and how are you going to use the tax? You know, how are you going to use the tax? So this is the question. You know, you will always have you see here, you always have a discussion about the society. Okay, some people want to pay more tax, some people want to pay less tax. Overall, French people always want to pay tax. That's okay, we are accustomed to pay tax, but people sometimes say, hey, the tax are not used in the right way. Here you see there's so many French flags, but why? This is because there was a soccer, the football game, you know. So it's not because it's not due to the, it's not because it's a public building. People are not accustomed because I'm having this camera. They are not accustomed. It's France and it's the countryside. So here the city name. Kind of funny here. They don't know what they install here, what they have here. Here you have the one of the main La Place, the main place of. I'm a bit worried about him. Like he could fall down. That's okay. Okay, and here qu'est-ce qu'on a? Bon, on a over there. We'll get closer. This is interesting. You have, I think this is electrical. Small electrical vehicle, yes. Ah no, diesel, it works, it's not. But over there we have the few buildings, the few shops, kind of shops that you can find in this kind of, in most villages. So you have a boulanger over there, the bakery on this side. Okay, the bakery. Next to it you have the hairdresser, coiffure. Next to it you have the butcher, le boucher. And then next to it you have pâtissier. Pâtissier is not the same as boulanger. Pâtissier is only doing the cookies and the cakes. They will also still have the bread, but normally the specialty is the cakes. And boulanger is only for the bread. And on this side you have a restaurant. Okay, un restaurant avec the wine bar, restaurant, cave à vin. Okay, so a restaurant and the bar and the wine cave. Yeah. Let me cross the street. Okay. Okay. What I will do is I will take some hidden cam with me these days, so I can show you when I'm going to buy the bread or things, you know, boulanger. Okay. Let's walk together. It's already 5 minutes, so let's walk together down the street, and if I can show you some other shops. Ici, ça c'est le pâtissier. Le pâtissier. Okay, something that you will notice, and that always strike me. Okay, here you have a pharmacy. I think I showed you this pharmacy. It's all the medicines where you can buy the medicine, and next to it you have orthopedy. Orthopedy is for walking, to walk, to help you to walk, for the feet. And here you have a bar. You have a bar, okay, bar. And another butcher. This guy wants to park. Okay, and it's kind of funny because when you look at the shop, you know who is here, who is living here, just from the shops. Of course, it's the same if you are in the big city. So you have a tabac here. Tabac is where you can buy the tobacco and the newspaper, and also if you want to play the lotto. So when you look at the shops, and another butcher, I told you, when you look at the shop, you know who are the people. So first of all, traditionally, French people in the countryside, they eat a lot of meat, because it's the countryside life. It's not good for your health to eat too much meat. It's good. The meat is high quality meat. Whenever I come to the countryside, I like to eat some meat because it's high quality meat. But if you take too much meat, it will make your body get older faster. So, and you have many butchers, beaucoup de bouchers. Something that you have all over France is you have the bakery. Bakeries everywhere. Les boulangeries, okay, you have everywhere. Here you can see you have few restaurants. That's because you have some tourists. Many of these, especially during summer, there is a castle, il y a un château, donc il y a des restaurants, des petits restaurants, pizza restaurant, over there we have the restaurant, okay? So here, let me show you. You need to be careful because you have many cars, but you see here il y a beaucoup de restaurants. Okay, restaurant pizza, restaurant liroise, okay? Over there you have another one, but it's not easy to have a restaurant because most of the time they can only make a living and get the customer in summertime. And many local people, they are not so wealthy, they don't go to the restaurant so often, and there is a lot of competition. You see here you have a restaurant, crêperie, which is a different type of restaurant. Here you have an Asian restaurant, spécialité asiatique, Asian restaurant. Okay. It's not easy. It's not easy. So many of these shops here, they don't manage very well. They go bankrupt, many of them. So what else do you have? You have a lot of bar, because in winter time it's kind of boring. People don't know what to do. There are many people from the countryside. It used to be in the French countryside. You had many small farmers, and these guys, what they do? They come to the city and they drink, and they sit at the bar, and they take a coffee, and they take a beer, or they take a glass of wine, and many drinks, and then they talk, and that's the place where you can meet, So you have many coffee bar, and that's how it is traditionally. Now, in fact, you have less and less. But because the people are, what's happening is the people are changing. You used to have many small farmers. Many of these farmers, they died. The kids go to the big city. So you have less and less people. You have only old people. And you can see this very clearly in this village. It's a very nice village, but many of the places are bankrupt or shut down or for sale. What else do you have? You see something else that you can see here. You can see many kebab. You see kebab? Kebab is kind of sandwich kebab. This is kebab, Ça c'est kebab. You see? Kebab. So this is Turkish. The traditional kebab is not the pork meat. It's halal food, So it's the food that's suitable for Muslim people, and it's not the pork, of course. And you have more and more. Why? Because you have another boulangerie. Boulangerie is everywhere, because French people like to eat the bread. This is traditional, right? So you have more and more of kebab because you have more migrants who come here. Because they are the newcomers, come from immigration, and often because they're not making a good living in the big cities, then they're also given a free apartment if they come here. So quite often, if they come here, they ask for the help because they say my income is very low, I have 3 kids, they can get a free apartment. But if it's in the big city, you have too many people who are asking for free apartments, and sometimes you have to queue and to wait for years, and sometimes you will never be given any free apartment. So these guys, they come here, at least they know they were given some help, or maybe a little bit money or some help, so they come here. And there is also the quotas of HLM, you know, the quotas of poor people. So mainly, yes, the newcomers, you know. So that's why you have many kebab. Another pharmacy. So you ask me why you have so many pharmacy. Of course, the people who live here are old. You have many old people because the young people, they don't stay here. There is no job, you know. So you can work online, you can teach online, you can do videos, you can do things like this, or you can be a farmer, but young people don't want to be the farmer. But otherwise you have no income. Huh? So mainly old people. So you have many pharmacy, things like this. That's also why you have many hunting. This is interesting. This is tabac, and you have hunting like canne à pêche, you know. See the things to hunt or to catch the fish, you know, here. Okay. So that's interesting. Huh? That's what I want to tell you today. You also have the real estate company everywhere that will rent or sell. Okay. So this is for rent. You can see rent. It's 300 euro, 250 to rent here. The kind of price that you have here. Another thing is for the school. So if you come here and you are young, you have some kids, then it will always be difficult because how can you send your kid to the school? You know, there is no school for him. Well, I will leave you for now. I will leave you for now. So take care, everyone. I see you soon. I talk to you soon. Donc, au revoir les amis.